In this section, we will explore the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method designed to enhance focus and productivity. Developed by Francisco Cirillo in the late 1980s, this method breaks work into manageable intervals to keep us motivated and efficient. The technique works by dividing work into intervals called Pomodoros, each lasting for 25 minutes, followed by a short break of 5 minutes. After completing 4 Pomodoros, we take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This structure helps maintain focus while preventing burnout. To start, we choose a task. It could be anything such as studying, writing a research paper, coding, or even household chores. Next, we set a timer for 25 minutes, marking the start of one Pomodoro. During this time, we focus solely on the chosen task, avoiding all interruptions and distractions. When the timer goes off, we take a 5 minute break to relax, stretch, or grab a snack. We then repeat the cycle. After completing 4 Pomodoros, we enjoy a longer break to recharge fully. The benefits of this method are numerous. By concentrating on a single task for a set period, we minimize distractions and enhance focus. The structured intervals prevent mental fatigue, making it easier to stay productive throughout the day. Over the time, tracking the number of Pomodoros required for tasks help us estimate time requirements more accurately. We can customize the intervals to suit our working style. While 25 minutes is the standard, adjusting the length of Pomodoros and breaks can better match our personal preferences. Keeping a record of completed Pomodoros allow us to track progress and identify patterns in our workflow. For interruptions, jotting them down and addressing them together during the breaks ensure we stay on track. Grouping smaller tasks together into one Pomodoro maintains a steady workflow, and tools like timers or Pomodoro apps make process even more seamless. By using Pomodoro Technique, we can improve focus, boost productivity, and manage our work efficiently, making it easier to tackle tasks with confidence and efficiency.